If your garage or your house is absolutely freezing or super hot in the summertime, you gotta get one of these. And we're super heavy window units. This is a 12,000 BTU mini split that has everything that you need. This guy's super lightweight, and this is what's gonna go on your wall. Huge filter on the top. And then this you can mount outside of your house, or you can place it on pavers right outside. This one's 115 volt, but you can also get a 230. Extremely cost effective on energy and really cheap. It's already charged in everything, so all you have to do is install it yourself or have a professional do it. Wi-Fi controlled and remote. You got a mounting bracket right there. You can heat and cool up to 700 square feet with this guy. Gonna be perfect for my living room. It's on a huge sale right now, so if you want to lock that in, I'm gonna leave it right there for you.